Hey man, say man, what time is it, my brother?
Huh?
What time is it, man?
Man, it's probably like 1 o'clock in the morning, probably.
Yeah, it's like 3 o'clock.
Yep.
Hey, we out here rolling, man. We at the gas station. Texas, here we come. We in. Huh?
I say, you see that Amber Alert from Winston-Salem?
They ain't coming. But yeah, man, we on the way to Texas. We in Louisiana right now.
Over here.
10 hours away.
Man, it's organized right now, brother.
But yeah, man, y'all stay locked in, man. We got a lot coming for y'all this week. Mind you, today is Monday. So we are starting on the road Monday. So hey,
do we need more than that?
And we over the road. Nah, we good. We three. We got we up there still.
3 bar?
Yeah. We might be able to. Yeah, we might be able to go and squeeze the rest of that in there, and so we get that shit out of here. Oh, excuse me. Get that mess out of here. Gotta clean it up a little bit, but
Trying to get my car.
yeah. So boom. Hey man, we got a long week ahead of. Really not even a long week. We got a nice, plentiful week ahead of us. Trying to get it. Yes sir. Get that bread, man. Get that bread. Excuse me, sir. I have a drop off. What up? Huh? Okay. He's big cool. He must be the manager. He's big cool. Yeah, far Texas. We already got another load, man. We just show y'all folks how it's going down on the road, man. We started off one day on the road. We got another load after we here picking up and stuff around, and he'll tell y'all more about it. But heading from far Texas back to the crib to Orangeburg. So we steady rolling, man. So we drop that off tomorrow. Keep rolling. And all right, so we ain't on gate 6. Man, AV, I might have to walk the script, brother, and go to the bathroom real quick. They talking about something. No, we don't have public bathroom.
How long we waiting?
Till 6 move, the other box truck.
All right, dude. I'll pick up in 7 minutes away.
Okay, word. So tell them people, well, I mean, it's a black and mild, but I'll cut it. Tell them people about the load that you have found, my brother.
So I found the load, guys, going right back to, from far Texas, heading on back to Orangeburg, South Carolina. And they paying $2 and heading us back with more money.
All right. Even more than we did coming here.
Yep.
Exactly. So we got more on the comeback than that. So I mean, it's just only Monday, so we deliver that. Hopefully by tomorrow, we make the drop-off time.
Yeah, this might be our most profitable week, so definitely stay tuned onto the YouTube video. We might have a secret to our other box truck individuals and warriors out there.
A recipe.
Yeah, I think we might have hit something for real. I think we might have got something that we can share with y'all. But listen, we'll let y'all know how it goes.
I love my brother to death, and he working hard. But tell him, YouTube, tell him he need to give this one up. Ain't no more black. Ain't no more black. Ain't no more black on that thing, brother. There ain't no more black on there. Look at this. That boy scratching. Alright, so I gotta go to the restaurant real quick. Where my brother AV at? AV? AV? Oh, he down here. Like, dog, what bro, when that buddy just sitting here unload the truck? Like, where my man's at? Oh, for real, we out here and goddamn going far Texas. We gotta stick together. I don't know, you know. We don't know nothing up. We don't know nothing about nothing out here. For real. Y'all got y'all partner. Y'all stick together. It'd be crazy out here, man. I'm saying, but that's pretty right there.
I already get unloaded, bro.
I
took care of it, bro.
That's her.
And we doing good. We still doing good. Getting at 2:30, 2:39. So we got time. Keep it pushing.
Yeah, we gotta go pick this other one up.
I know
7 minutes
YouTube
down the
looking
road.
at, but YouTube, we didn't get right here, so don't be judging our opinions right now. I thought we looked good the other day. It's been a long
I just don't
night.
care. Hey, when you busy, you ain't got time for a haircut like that. Yep. So now we on the way to the next pickup.
Look how close it is.
Like what? 7 minutes? Yeah, 7 minutes down the road. So we rolling. We rolling. Y'all stay tuned.
Get out the car.
I ain't never seen no shit.
Get my shirt ready.
The man done put the dang on. That ain't safe, brother. I ain't never seen that like.
Oh yeah, anybody that pick their phone up like that and start talking to it like that.
What?
Oh yeah, they serious. And the fact that nigga got the cheetah print master.
Yeah, like why he got his mask?
Bruh. Gotta leave that man alone. We in far Texas than Mexico. We both be disappearing. You see that man truck, bro? He got a chain on the back of that shit.
Yeah,
Stop playing with that man, bro.
That man the cartel.
For real, no. That nigga probably a mob boss or something. That nigga probably the assassin, man.
All right, y'all. So we at the pickup location. Let me sit this up here to help equate. Oh, thank you, sir. But yeah, we're at the next pickup location. Right now we have troubles and slowing us up. So now we probably got to drop this load Wednesday. So my man's sitting here trying to get. He better explain it because he.
We trying to get our paperwork. That's what it really is. It's literally just the paperwork showing what we picking up. They didn't have it ready, so they trying to locate it. And the lady that was handling our load, she already left for the day, so we kind of like,
Oh, damn.
yeah. So they trying to figure it out. But bro, I am so sleepy. Look at my eyes. I'm about to go to sleep.
Yeah, my man's on drove for
We
7.
gonna get some to eat and go to sleep.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah. But nah, my man, that's like we was initially trying to drop off the same day. We had to drop off. When we first arrived here, it was 12:10. But by the time we get loaded up and get gas and whatnot, they said we had to have it dropped off by 2 o'clock. It's almost like in the truck, you know, and it's governed too, so it's like you always gotta put like 45 extra minutes to an hour on it. So if it say 1:30, you know that means 2:30. If you gotta get gas, that's 1,300 miles, so that's about 2 to 3 fill-ups. So that means we gotta like get out, I'm talking sprint, like we on a NASCAR team.
No, for real.
Then hopping back in the truck. But we can't even get something to eat. We just have to starve this whole time and just keep going.
Oh, no, I gotta eat something.
That's not self-care, truck drivers. Make sure you're taking care of yourself. Make sure you're doing the right thing. Self-care is important. Stay on it. So that's how I'm about to
Taking
go.
yourself, who gonna run your truck?
Exactly. I'm about to get my butt in the truck, go to sleep. As soon as I get to the house, shower, talk to my lady, massage. Self-care.
That sound like other care. But yeah, man. We back on it. Drop this how it's looking. We drop this off Wednesday. Keep it pushing, man. Right now, we having a good week right now.
Yeah.
It's up.
It really is.
I can't. We don't want to really talk about the end of the week until the end of the week.
Yeah.
So
because one thing about a box truck game, box truck company, whatever, I bet you my box truck people could agree. You can start good on Monday and Tuesday, and then the rest of the week be the weirdest thing. I ain't even gonna jinx this. I ain't even gonna say it. But I know box truck people know, so we just gonna keep positive, stay on the board, and hope this thing keep on chugging on. Because if it don't, boy, that junk can stop us on our brakes, and we looking like y'all like, oh, we thought we had good old news. We stay home Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Because Columbia have a shutdown that Friday, man. Weird as crap.
Sure, we go out of hopefully find something. I mean, that'd be Wednesday, so you should be able to find something.
Oh yeah.
We'll go.
I know we gonna hit something. If anything, we got a few brokers that I know a lot of people been talking about that too. Also compliment on that, like our rhetoric and our professionalism. We also have 2 brokers that we kind of working closely with. They've been calling us a lot more, like direct line. Instead of posting it directly on the low board, they call us right on the phone. They be like, we got something for you. Are you available in the area? So that's been a huge help too. He actually been saving us some couple days, so shout out to him. But that's all about, like we always say, maintaining positive relations and treating people right. You develop relationship brokers to kind of skip that going on the low board. So honestly, for the rest of the week, if we wanted to, and if they had a lows, which I pretty much can guarantee they're gonna have a low, we can run and still make adequate money, but we're gonna travel some more.
Keep that bag rolling, man.
Because I ain't gonna lie, you make that sacrifice, you might not get to see your lady and your kids. You got kids 1 or 2 nights, but when you see them on that 3rd night, you bringing in all that money and talk about, boy, my girl be so happy, boy. When I be Apple paying her, boy, you see them zeros?
Hey, I'm broke. Hey, I ain't got nothing.
That's bill money. It ain't fun money, it's bill money.
I gotta pay bills.
Bill money.
Gotta pay bills.
Yeah, for real.
For real. Hey, I ain't got it.
Shout out to whenever this video goes out. Shout out my girl, Miss Lena. Miss Lena, happy birthday, baby. On March 3rd. So make sure y'all drop a happy birthday in the comments or whatever, even if it's afterwards. Shout out my lady. Happy birthday to her. Gonna be the big 2 for us. So
happy birthday.
You gonna load us up?
You got the bill?
Got the bill up?
What's up with those wallets? You're gonna get stolen.
Oh no, we on YouTube, man.
You want shit? Come on, man,
You
YouTube.
want, yeah, we got.
Oh, what do you
subscribers.
guys
We on YouTube, bro.
We got subscribers. Get the fuck out of here.
No, it's so
I'm
serious.
serious.
No, we really got a YouTube.
Yeah,
I know
we
you.
really
I
do.
saw that shit, but get that shit out.
Oh, you saw it? You saw us on YouTube?
No, I didn't
Oh.
see you guys on YouTube. I saw
Oh yeah, I'll turn it off for you though.
Alright. You come over here and tell me, man,
I'm for real. We done went from YouTube. We done went from YouTube not having content. You talking about some? We on here telling YouTube.
the bad news first and then go say, come with me.
Wow. But now, what is South Carolina?
South Carolina. Oh, you
Yeah.
got South Carolina?
Yeah. It's a little minute, man.
Exactly.
What part?
Columbia.
Columbia.
So all the way over here, we tired, man. We trying to get on.
19 hours, man.
What are they? What's good in Columbia?
Good
Nothing.
in Columbia?
Nothing.
I can't even tell you.
There's nothing good.
My parents took me out there.
Why?
They was born in Jersey.
yeah.
Some past history.
I was saying, yeah, it's like a
retirement.
yeah, it's like a retirement city, man. And yeah, it's like there's really nothing to do, man. Everything closed by 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. So
There's
my man's is jamming right there. In the
real?
on the
Somebody tip that man. He got a nice outfit on too. Boy be in. Boy be in. Boy be in. I should have beat his ass. There you go.
Another day, another goddamn motherfucking time. Man, motherfucking ready to get on the grind. Nigga gotta go home, gotta go on time. Yep, nah, they ain't ready for that. They ain't ready for those.
Get to this house, so
Nah, for real though, man.
tired of
Hey,
motherfuckers.
man, oh man, y'all don't understand, man. I don't know what it is, man, but I'm tired. We ain't,
That's
we
what it is.
we still headed back to the crib right now. We getting gas, and we got we're in Montgomery, Alabama. Montgomery, Alabama. But yeah, stay locked in here. YouTube. So we back again. So just got the BLL. We finally dropped off at Orangeburg. Couldn't really get no content because it's like one of those facilities where we can't come. We just go inside, hand them the paperwork. They go while we wait in the lobby, and then come back with paperwork. So nothing really much on this marvelous day. But the day not over with, so we got more to come. So really the rest of the week to come. Cause it's only Wednesday? Hump day. It's hump day. So, oh shoot. Hump day. So we still got a couple more days. More stuff to do. Let's go.
I no meat though. I ordered a biscuit, but I ain't getting no meat on my biscuit.
You ordered a Chick-fil-A biscuit?
Yes, ma'am, with extra
Where's
butter.
your receipt at? You have it?
Yes, ma'am, I have it. Oh my goodness.
I'm sorry about that. Yeah.
Where's my meat?
But good thing we did not leave, bro.
But I know that junk was kind of flat. I was like, bro, that must be some flat piece of chicken.
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna say, where's my meat?
That like it's so fucking soft.
Oh yeah, nah. So we at our next pickup location. So throughout this whole site, we gotta keep our vest on. So they really on us about the safety, which I can understand. So yeah, we got this load headed to New Jersey. Got to deliver by Friday. You know, something light, nothing too major. Oh, I know it gotta be in the front. Gotta be in the front.
Yeah, it must be.
Man, some of these companies know they be wrong when they ain't got no bathroom for us to use. You know, we done been sat here and transported their goods, and I can't even boo-boo. Let's do this way. Come on, guys. Well, once we all through here. Hey, V, right here.
Go in that side door.
Yes, sir.
When you walk through that fence, you'll see some yellow lines painted. Stay within them lines. Watch out for the lift. As you're going toward that door in front of you, feel slightly to your left. That's the men's bathroom.
Okay, thank you, sir. See, but they looked out for us here though. For real. He old school, bro. It's like, you know, like when they be like, oh, I know what you're gonna ask me for, you even ask it. Like he just think he's just so wise.
Get up, go ahead. You be looking for him like, where'd he go?
He said stay with the white line. That's what I do, man.
They do.
You said go to the right or the left?
Go to the right, stay within the yellow line.
Yeah. Okay.
Watch out for them lips.
Well, I thought, honestly, I'm not even paying attention, bro. I thought he said, watch out for them lips. I'm like, what the heck? So I be.
But, you know, the man is the operator of forklift, so they had nothing to worry about it.
Right.
I'm certified.
Let me go and turn this off, though. Another day, another dollar. Ain't too much rain. Hey, bro. Y'all, AAA done made it to Times Square, man. It's out here looking lovely. We done passed Central Park. We out here. Everybody out here. We see all type of races, all type of faces, all type of restaurants, all type of buildings, all types of agriculture. We see so many trucks out here. Oh my goodness. Anything to say to them, mama?
Man, we just in New York, man. Oh, that done nice. That go hard. All the little billboards and shit.
Oh yeah, we got first time. This about to be our first time at Times Square. So, hey man, it's crazy.
Yeah, this shit lit.
That's what we do it for, man. And bread and these life experiences. I've never been in New York.
By far, probably the prettiest city we've been to.
Yeah. Right.
I've never seen these little people in Colombia.
I see y'all with so much COVID going on.
Oh, you see how it's
All right, y'all. So we still in New Jersey right now. Getting loaded. Got this load going to Alabama. Man, they had us here all day, like for 2 hours, man. This New York thing is different. That's about the whole inside deep. So I get my delivery order. I went to the line, through the line 3 times. I get my delivery order the first time, give it to them. They didn't have my company's name on it. They had the broker's name on it. They're like, oh, I need that. So then the broker take forever to send it to me. Again, by the time I got back in front of the line again, so I had to get in line the 3rd time he finally sent it. So, oh man, we still working. He did that shit.
Yeah.
Yo, he broke that shit up. We did not do that. He trying to get smart ass. That's all he trying to do is get smart ass.
Once you get it on. See, lift it up. Lift it up. Just like that. See? See? I'm not even supposed to do that. I know, man. I know, but you're helping us out, man. You're doing it the right way.
That's what I'm saying. You just want to not work.
Thank you.
Drive a truck like this, you're always supposed to have a pallet. It's like you come out of your house without your license. How you gonna work?
No, we have got thousands and thousands of dollars we gotta put in. Thousands.
Well, not here. Like that.
Alright, y'all, so we in Alabama right now. Getting this New Jersey load dropped off. Got something else we gotta pick up going to Alabama to South Carolina. So it's pretty good. Man's in the truck right now. We about to back in. Man's in the truck. He's filling out the carrier packet right now. Let me get, oh shoot, my phone. Let me get your key, I get your key repair. I'm over the trunk. Tell him something, bro. What you got going on right now, man? Fill out the carrier packet, man. Alright. Yeah, so he said we gotta back into 8, so we almost done. So yeah, that's raining out here too, man. Ain't nothing though. I'd rather it rain than snow. Tell you that. Yeah, man. This week really has been busy, man. Still going, man. March. We aiming for March to be our highest month of gross. Trying to gross the most we can this month. Give it all this month. You know, just like we trying to get his YouTube all as well. So, hey, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We almost to 1,000. We've been screaming 1,000 for a minute now, but hey, we almost there. Last time I checked, we was like 250 away from being at 1,000. So we trying to, you know, accomplish that by the end of the month of March, if that's possible. But yeah, man, y'all stay locked in. We about to back in and everything, so just stay tuned in. I know this video about to be long. If y'all still watching it this long, like I said, we appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe. Oh man, it's Focus over there. He in there, Focus. That's a long behind carry packet.